Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on the transit courier van. In today's video we are finishing a repair on the rear quarter. This is the second time I've recorded this because I realised the first bit had no sound to it. So I'm already well ahead of you got what you're seeing in the video, but yeah, we're repairing that arch and we're going to get that painted and all blended in today. Let's crack on, start sanding this dodgy bit out. What I did say in the other video, which you can't hear me and you're not going to see, is the little dodgy line that I had was a bit of old paint that had sort of rung up underneath, but it weren't a complete ring. It looked like a line, but when I came in this morning I could see it better and it had rung up round saying and weren't very good. So we're going to block that out, sort that out, cut the pinholes that I missed, sort them out, get it all ready, get it masked off, prepped, and we're painting it. See you in a bit. Right, chucked a bit of dolphin glaze in that, blocked that dodgy line out that I weren't happy with. We're sort of ready to go now. Just going to drag everything out. We'll have a tidy up because it's absolute filth in here. And then, yeah, we'll sheet it all up, mask it up and get some paint on it. See you in a moment. There we go guys, we're all ready to rumble. I'm just going to get a tack rag, clean it down, and I'm going to use my new stack gun. I've got a stack gun out on trial. I did mention it in another video. I haven't used it yet, so we're going to give it a go on that. This basically, you plug your airline in, blow it over the panel, and it takes the static charge out of the panel, and they're supposed to be really good for plastics, but they're obviously good for bodywork as well. So this ain't sponsored by any way, this is just from my own back. But yeah, we're going to give that a go, see if that makes it any better and the job comes out any cleaner. But yeah, let's go get sorted and get some paint on. See you in a mo. Right, it's all gone belly up. As you saw in the time lapse there, it was going on well yellow, and I had that scanned and that colour made for what colour was on this corner before, and I haven't got any other frozen white left here, and it was far too yellow for the van. So I stopped what I was doing. I got the ball ache and I didn't end up filming painting it. I went over it with 2K direct gloss. Whether that was a good decision or not, I don't know. Not quite happy with the orange peel. I wanted it to have orange peel. I purposely created orange peel, but I've got a bit too peely, so I'm going to have to knock that back. But it's done. It's white. The repair's really good. I'm really happy with how that came out. It's a bit more peely than I would have wanted, to be honest. I've still got some bits in it, but I don't know whether the stack gun done a good job or not. I was using the stack gun even on this, but the arch is good. It's looking well, but yeah, it's just been one of them days. Really should have done the whole quarter. Just took it right up and over, but this is the colour that I had made. He took on the spectrometer or whatever it's called, he took 4 different pictures from around the van. It reads the colour of the paint and colour matches it to that. This is the colour that I had made in 2K direct gloss for the trims and mouldings, so I used a bit of that to do the quarter. It's not too bad now. It's flowing out. It is. It's not as peely as I thought it was. I wanted it orange peely. Don't get me wrong. The van has got an orange peel on it, but I think I went a bit OTT with the peel. Could have done with less, but yeah, it's one of them things. It's not come out too shabby. It's all right. Happy with the repair, looks a hell of a lot better. Bit of flat and polishing to do. Buff over that blend line up the top now. Hopefully that should go in alright. Yeah, don't look too shabby. Yeah, one of them videos. Oh, I'm starting to hate this van already. It's only been 2 days, well, yeah, I've done 2 days on it, whatever it was. We do the plastics, hopefully they're more straightforward, it shouldn't be an issue. My new welder turned up, well, say new, ordered the welder. I said about it in one of the other videos. The welder came, the welder weren't no good. The earth lead was 1 metre long and the torch was 1.5 metres. You can't work with that. If you've got a car up in the air, that's no good. So I had to change to their top model. Sent the other one back, collected the new one today, and that one looks alright. We just built the stand up for it, so I've got the spotter and everything on the same stand. I'll show you quickly, hold on. Here it is, all on its new stand. So I've got my spotter in there, the welder's at the bottom. I haven't set the welder up yet, because the little roller that pinches the wire and feeds the wire out, this one comes with a 0.8 and a 0.9, and the wire I use is a 0.6. So I've got a job to do tomorrow, welding exhaust for somebody. So I'm going to leave my old welder set up and then I'll transfer the bottle and everything onto here. So yeah, basically I'll have one trolley, do all my welding, use my spotter, and stuff like that. I've got to organise everything, but we just chucked it on for the time being. But yeah, there's the little welder and the spotter and the trolley, and then obviously when it's all set up I'll just wheel it out, do what I've got to do. So I'll take the gas bottle off of that, put it all on there, and then I can sort that lot out, and then when that's done and up and running, the rollers here, we can yeah, get to work with it. So that is it today, I'm afraid. No more Connect van. I'll do the mouldings, probably got to jump back on the Cosy tomorrow. I picked up me sunroof thing and the windscreen's been put in, I'll show you that. I had to order some of the sticky pad thing to put the wing mirror up, the rear view mirror up. So got to do that, and I want to get it cleaned and yeah, make some progress on the Cosy as well. But yeah, that's me, that's the van, that's us for the day, I'm afraid. Sorry you didn't get no decent bits of paint in it, but it is what it is. As always, massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.